Hello. It's been 10 years now since we have started on our homeschooling journey, and there are many benefits that we have seen from this homeschooling system, which I would like to share with you. Now, the greatest and best of all the benefits is this, that we can make a tailor-made curriculum that is suited for our child and the child's specific needs. We are not compelled to go through a curriculum that is suited for maybe a group of 40 or 50 children, of whom some may be average, below average, above average. But seeing to the specific needs of our child, we can make out a curriculum that will be best suited for our own child. When we go to a regular school, we are put through maybe 7 to 9 or sometimes even 10 subjects, some of which the child may not be interested in going through at all. Whereas when we are homeschooling a child, another great benefit that we have is that we can pick and choose subjects which the child has an aptitude for. Now, we are capable of choosing maybe just 5 subjects, or we can just pick on 5 subjects in order to get a certification in the boards which permit private students, whereas that will not be possible if we put a child into a regular school. Another great benefit has been that we can plan out the timetable for the child. We can pick and choose the amount of time that the child has to spend for studying, the time that the child can spend for developing their own skills, or for any other household work, or for going out anywhere. The timetable is within our control, and that is a great positive that we have in the homeschooling system. Another thing is that the pace of study. Now, in a regular school, we have 40-50 students, and the teacher has to go through a pace which is maybe suited for the average student. No, but then there can be some learners who are very slow, there can be some who are very fast. I remember my daughter complaining that when she was in school, she used to go ahead of the other students, and there were times when she was scolded for doing it, which really put her off and hurt her a lot. In a homeschooling system, we can move at the pace of the child. If the child is a slow learner, we can move at that pace. If the child is a fast learner, you can move at a faster pace, and that's a great blessing. And because we are going according to the pace of the child, because we are focusing on subjects which the child likes, there is a greater retention of what has been learnt. It is because of the lack of external compulsions, like kind of achieving in a school or being compared with other students. The child has a more conducive atmosphere to retain what has been learnt. Other than this, there is also this fact that every family has its own set of value systems. In a homeschooling setup, we are able to transfer these values to the kids because there is time available. Because we are dictating the time, since we are scheduling the timetable, we can set apart time for this kind of a transfer of values to children. Now, in the homeschooling system, because we entered into the homeschooling system, we were able to spend time, quality time with the children. No, when they were going to school, we were limited because there are the homeworks to be completed, assignments to be done, deadlines to be met, and morning times it is a rush to send them off on time to school. If they reach late there is a punishment that they have to face. So all these things were avoided when we entered into the homeschooling system, and because of that, the whole atmosphere itself was kind of relaxed. The hustle and bustle, having to meet up deadlines and things like that was just not there. And in that atmosphere, we could transfer a lot of the values that we have to the children. And because of that itself, the bonding with them had increased. And I would also like to say that though people believe that because of homeschooling, children will not have social skills, I have found things to the contrary. Our children were able to interact with people who are much older to them, much younger to them. In a school classroom, it is like children of their own age, their peers alone that they are interacting with. But here in the homeschooling system, they meet with people that come home. They meet with people when they are sent out on errands. They meet with people when we go out for our ministries. So it is like they were interacting with a wide spectrum of people, which was a blessing, which has actually increased their social skills. And not only this, it has increased, homeschooling has increased their sense of responsibility. Because unlike children who go to school, for whom a lot of things have to be done for them, our children have kind of taken up the responsibility at home. They help around with the kitchen, they help around with the household chores, they go out for buying things, for paying bills. So all these things has kind of made them much more responsible than other children. And on the whole, it has put them more into the real world. Rather than living in a classroom and entering into the real world at times, they have been growing in the real world. And on the whole, what I would like to say is that though there are struggles in the homeschooling system or in the homeschooling journey, on the whole, the benefits that we see is much, much, much more than the struggles or the drawbacks that are there.